A Coastal Division battle, the Virginia Tech Hokies, welcoming the Pitt Panthers to Lane Stadium. Tom Savage looking to lead his Panthers to their 5th straight win over the Hokies. Opening drive for Virginia Tech. On 3rd and 9, Logan Thomas decides to be fashionable, finds Calvin Klein. 27-yard touchdown, Virginia Tech takes the 7-0 lead. Now 10-0, under a minute to go before the half. Pitt looking for points. Tom Savage finds Devin Street, a big 48-yard gain, but that was really the only huge play of the day for the Panthers. But that puts them in scoring position. 2 plays later, 35 seconds left. Savage, taken down by Daddy Nicholas. Yes, who is your daddy? Virginia Tech, 5 sacks in the first half. Pitt settles for the field goal. 10-3, Hokies lead at the half. Now in the second half, Bud Foster's defense was incredible, putting pressure on Savage all day. Daddy Nicholas by himself, 3 sacks. In all, Virginia Tech had 8 sacks. That's the second most in the Frank Beamer era. Fourth quarter, Pitt trailing late. Savage finds Street again down the sideline. Watch out! Kyshawn Jarrett just levels him. Amazingly, somehow, Devin Street holds on for the catch, but he is laid out and hurting. He would not return to the game. Pitt would turn that into a late touchdown, but not enough. Virginia Tech wins 19-9. Pitt held in check. That offense just 23 yards rushing, less than a yard per carry. Logan Thomas, a nice job, 239 yards through the air, and the touchdown to Calvin Klein. 6-1 now, the Hokies, they're bowl eligible. That's right, they're bowl eligible. A bye next week, then home versus Duke in 2 weeks. Pitt's home next week against Old Dominion.